Hello there, welcome to our channel. So guys, in our previous video about Black Shark 4, we mentioned some specs, but immediately next day some new leaks appeared which stated different specs than before. There is always a chance that some information might not be correct as these are mere leaks. And we don't want you to be ill-informed, so this is a follow-up video on the Black Shark 4. So yesterday Black Shark confirmed that they will be using a 6.67-inch Samsung-made E4 AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate and a multi-finger touch sampling rate of 720Hz. Earlier it was rumored to use 120Hz refresh rate, but as it turns out that was incorrect, and we are sure to get 144Hz panel. But that's not the only highlight of the phone. The real king is the touch sampling rate, which in this phone is 720Hz. For reference, the recently launched ROG Phone 5 Pro and Ultimate have just 300Hz touch sampling rate, which gives Black Shark 4 a huge advantage. The display will also have a punch hole in the center with a size of 2.76mm. The second interesting feature is the motorized shoulder buttons, which we have already discussed in our previous video. About the processor, Black Shark previously confirmed that the Black Shark 4 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset, but a Chinese leaker says that the standard model will use Snapdragon 870 while the Pro gets Snapdragon 888 chipset. Now this is not official yet, but the leakster has a good track record, so we can believe him. As for battery, in January Black Shark teased a 4500 mAh battery and 120W charging on the Black Shark 4 lineup, and both phones are expected to run Android 11 out of the box. We are still waiting for camera specs, but those aren't available yet. Still, if you subscribe, you can get the updates from our community tab. And that's it for today. For more such videos, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.